Hello AR family, welcome to part 4 of Indian taxation system explaining in easy and simplified manner along with examples. My dear friend, if you are new to our series, go through our part 1, 2, 3 videos. In our last video we have seen clearly about direct taxes and indirect taxes. In this video let's see complete story of GST, Goods and Services Tax. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji launched GST into operation on the midnight of June 1st, 2017. Its main aim is to have one tax in one nation. Let's see it clearly with an example. Before GST was introduced, for example, to manufacture one jeans, the raw material cost is 1000 rupees. Adding 10% tax to it, the overall bill becomes 1100 rupees. Manufacturer receives these raw materials at 1100 rupees, adding his branding cost of 300, the total becomes 1400 rupees. For this 1400, the 10% of tax is 140 rupees, adding to a total of 1540 rupees. The final retailer receives it at 1540 rupees, adding his profits of 500. The total becomes 2040 rupees. For this 10% of tax, 204 rupees, the final cost of one jeans will become 2244 rupees. If you can closely observe, we are paying the tax to already existed tax. This is called cascading effect. But after the GST was introduced, this cascading effect is removed. Let's see how. To manufacture the same jeans, the raw material cost is same of 1000 rupees. The 10% tax of it is 100 rupees and overall bill becomes 1100 rupees. Now the manufacturer collects these raw materials at only 1000 rupees and add his branding cost of 300. The total becomes 1300 rupees. Adding 10% of tax, that is 130 rupees, the total becomes 1430 rupees. Now the final retailer receives it at 1300 rupees, adding his profit of 500, the total becomes 1800 rupees. 10% of 1800, the tax is 180 rupees. And the total becomes 1980 rupees. Due to the removal of cascading effect, now the jeans is available at 1980 rupees only. GST is of three types: Central GST, State GST, Integrated GST. In both Central GST and State GST, the taxes are occurred by the sales of goods and services within the state, and the taxes are shared equally by the central and state governments. In Integrated GST, the sales of goods and services are occur in between two states. Taxes occurred by it are taken by the central government. GST tax rates are prepared in relevance to common people: 0% GST, 5% GST, 12% GST, 18% GST. And 28% GST is levied on luxury items. But the point here to be noted is alcohol and petroleum is exempted from GST. That is, central government will not share taxes of these items. This is because most of the state income and revenue is dependent on the sales of alcohol and petroleum. This is the reason why alcohol and petroleum rates are differ in different states. However, a few controversies are also raised against GST. To all the people who came here watching all the 4 parts of our videos, thank you for being part of our supportive family. Dear friends, more inspiring and interesting videos are waiting for you. Do subscribe and comment your innovative thoughts. Expand our family.